Alright guys, so the Mustang is broken, so we're all really sad, so I don't know what's going to happen now.
You're going to get an Audi.
I'm going to have to get an Audi RS3. No, I'm just fucking with you guys. It's got an issue. I got a code for my O2 sensor. It's a P2251 code, which I'll show you soon. I'm going to read it on the car. But basically what happens is on quote-unquote cheaper headers, meaning that if it's not, you know, your I guess your BBK, your higher end, I guess.
Cost of your left leg.
Yeah, like more expensive headers. You know, then what happens is the manufacturer might locate it to the side, like in mine, and then what happens is moisture accumulates, especially when you're on E85, and your catalyst too. I mean, that doesn't help. Moisture accumulates. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Okay, but E85 and catalyst. So basically, O2 sensor broke. So now what we're going to do today is we're going to show you two different ways of fixing it. The first way is very simple. You go to a muffler shop and you literally do what I'm about to show you in this picture. So in this picture we see that they plugged up the old hole and made a new hole at 45 degrees and kind of made it work that way. That way moisture won't accumulate and it should fix your issue, as well as needing to get a new O2 sensor. Now we have another way of fixing it here, which is these heat sinks. Now this, what it does is the O2 sensor plugs into this, and then this plugs into your exhaust, and what it does is it kind of isolates it, and it avoids moisture buildup and, you know, pretty much damage to your O2. I got these from Summit Place, Summit Racing Equipment. They're probably pretty popular, I'm guessing. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, they had a $61.99, not bad. Here they are, right here. I may have to. Okay, I don't know if you can see that part number. I'll put it in the description. Maybe I'll put a couple links for you guys to make it easier. But let's kind of show you real quick how this is done. Steve, can you show them how the O2 sensor plugs into that? You literally just screw it in. See? Smooth.
Holy shit, that's hard.
Yep. And another thing that it says on here, important note, you must align the horizontal inlet opening directly into the exhaust flow by using the registration mark on the hexagon face. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate this little guy, and you're going to want to align this guy with your exhaust flow. Basically what that means is you want the exhaust to blow into this hole. So this hole will be facing the engine. Correct. Or upstream. Basically. So yeah, so O2 sensor I just got from LMR. They had the best deal, and it was easy to find and order. So that's that guy. So we're going to read the code. We are going to basically just do the installation, which is super easy, which will take us at least like 45 hours or so. Yeah. Because that's how me and Steve work. Yeah. It's like, oh, it'll be 45 minutes. 45 hours later. Yeah, it wasn't 45 minutes. But yeah, we'll do the installation. We'll kind of show you how it's done. We're going to start the car, clear the code, maybe drive it around, or maybe I should clear the code first.
Well, after we do this, do you clear the code?
Yeah, well, yeah, clear the code, whatever. I'll keep you guys updated on if I ever get a code again. I'll probably, you know, wait a few days in between to give you guys kind of my results. So I won't give you the results right away. And we'll see how that goes. And we're back! All right, we're reading the code now. Yeah, door jar.
That's different. Yes.
Yeah, there you go, see? It's blinking. Well, we know it's on, so let's just check the code. So if you have one of these bad puppies, now if I remember where it is, there it is. Yep, we're good. Let's see if I can get, it's kind of light.
Your car's like a Volkswagen now.
There it goes, P2251, and it is O2 sensor negative control circuit open bank sensor 1. And when you Google that, it says upstream passenger sensor. What's special? I'm not gonna fuck with that. Okay, well, let's see. Let's lift her up and then start getting things together. A special thanks to Cody over here for bringing me the tools of Juicy's. He's got the hookup.
Yeah.
Steve, sure. Let's do this. Let's party. the Mustang, and we just did the whole process as we explained before. And now we're gonna clear the codes and see what's up. So here we get the data logger, and let's go to vehicle functions, and then we're going to read first. Just turn key on, do not start, and press continue when ready. Okay. Okay. Please wait. If it even reads a code, it should, yeah, okay. Then press OK. Okay, it's still reading the code, but we're going to clear it. So clear codes, continue. It's going to give us a little flashy flash. It's going to clear the code. I don't know if you can see that. Please await. It's going to do a lot of scary things. It's going to blink. And then this is going to say good to go. Have fun. Do as many burnouts as you can and enjoy. Turn key off. Code's complete. Turn key off. Okay. And then we're done. Now let's start her up. See if we get a light. Okay. It works. You know how I know? When it was broken, my AFRs were I mean, it was gonna work at this far, but my AFRs wouldn't read, right?
Okay.
Because the O2 was broken. But I mean, of course, that got fixed, but we have to see how long it lasts.
Right.
So, we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Steve? I'll give us a little. It's popping. It's popping. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you guys later.
Peace.
Peace.